Jimmy Fernandez, this is Quincy Wells. We are on my journey to becoming a pipe welder. Don't forget to hit that like, smash that subscribe, so you don't miss any of the next videos. Today I'm going to show you guys how to weave a 7018 electrode to make it look like you're welding MIG. So if you want to see the results, stay to the end. Okay, let's get to it. First things first, I do two guidelines about 1 inch in between them. We're going to do a 1 second pause on each side. Here's the technique now. I sweep to one side, 1, 2, sweep to the other side, 1, 2, sweep to the other one side, 1, 2, pause, and keep the same rhythm the whole way through. All right, now let's check it out. Look at that beautiful slag. It all came out all at once. We know what that means. That's a good weld. All right, let's go ahead and clean it up. This is what my weave looks like. That's the one you just saw live. Okay, I went ahead and I did another weld so you can see a different weld. This is what my second weave looks like. Don't forget to hit the like and smash that subscribe. We're on my journey to becoming a pipe welder.